Amazing day, everyone. My name is Joner Fernandez, and I'm the Learning and Development Director of IM Worldwide. First off, sincerely from the bottom of my heart, I would like to congratulate you for having the opportunity to watch this video. Kasi pwede namang hindi ikaw, pwede namang ibang tao ang nanonood ng video na to, but you are one of the few people na naka-receive ng link ng video na to. So what does it mean? It means, merong isang tao na very much concerned with you, merong isang tao na gusto kang tulungan sa buhay mo for you to live an amazing life. And this video will talk about on how you can live an amazing life through IM Worldwide Corporation. Now, in my experience in this industry or in this profession, I have encountered 4 different kinds of people na talagang nung una, akala nila this industry or this profession will not be a help for them. But upon studying the industry, upon studying yung company na in-involve nila, they were able to realize that this can be a help for them to live an amazing life. So, who are these 4 different kinds of people? Number 1, yung mga people na nag-value ng health nila. They want to take good care of their health, they want to live longer. So, that's the first category ng mga tao na gusto ma-involve sa profession na to. Number 2, those people who are looking for additional income kasi marami silang multiple expenses. Always remember, if your problem is multiple expenses, it's not enough just to save. Dapat meron kayong multiple sources of income. And third na category ng mga tao na who are really involved in this kind of profession are those people na yes, okay naman yung earnings nila, okay naman yung sweldo nila, okay naman yung business nila. Kaya lang, they're very much tied in what they're doing. Sobrang busy na sila. So what they're desiring is to have a passive income. Pag sinabing passive income, even though you're not doing something, you're still earning because of the previous effort na ginawa mo. So they're looking for passive income. For what reason? They want time freedom. So maybe you are also one of that people na gusto ng time freedom. You might be working abroad, gusto mo nang makauwi, kaya lang hindi ka makauwi kasi maiiwan mo yung trabaho mo. Why not finish watching this video and baka makita mo yung opportunity for you to have time freedom. So last but not the least, pwede namang hindi ka masyadong makarelate dun sa nag-value ng health mo, although importante yan. Pwede namang parang hindi lang additional income ang gusto mo. Pwede namang hindi lang time freedom ang gusto mo, or ikaw yung tao na gusto mo merong mangyari sa buhay mo na pagbabago. You want something amazing or you want a breakthrough to happen in your life. So these are the 4 different kinds of people. And we here in IM Worldwide, kami rin yun. Kasama din kami sa categories na yun. Buti na lang, nakita namin si IM Worldwide and nakita namin na meron pang hope doon sa challenges ng 4 different kinds of people. Now in this video, you will be able to realize na in life there's still hope. Because that's what we are offering with IM Worldwide Corporation. We are offering hope. H stands for health. We are offering ways for you to take good care of your health. Letter O is opportunity. We are offering opportunity for you to have a supplemental income na kahit hindi mo iwan yung ginagawa mo ngayon, you can still have additional income because of the system that we can teach you in this video. And letter P stands for prosperity. Malay mo, dumating yung time na since you are working, you have partnership with IM Worldwide, dumating yung time na gumanda yung business mo, gumanda yung income mo, until na kaya mo nang i-let go yung nagpapaka-busy sa'yo ngayon. So you will have time freedom. And letter E stands for everyone. This video, if you find this video helpful for you, tandaan mo, this is for everyone. This business or this opportunity or this health opportunity, prosperity na gusto namin i-show in this video, this is for everyone. So I suggest, just sit back, relax, and continue watching this video para mahanap mo yung sagot dun sa hinahanap mo. Paano nga ba mabuhay amazingly and how to achieve breakthrough in your life through hope and through IM Worldwide. Now, since I mentioned IM Worldwide is it's a new multi-level marketing company. It's just 5 months, pero ako naniniwala kasi yung success ng company, it's not dependent how long ka nag-ooperate. In 5 months of operation as a company or as a family, the company already produced a lot of 6-figure income earners. The company already produced car achievers. The company already produced a lot of travel incentive qualifiers. Why? Bakit ganon? 4 months, 5 months pa lang yung company, bakit marami ng mga taong nagbabagong buhay? In this profession, I'll be more specific. I'm talking about network marketing. In this profession, this is a very good profession It's just that kaya pangit ang tingin ng tao sa industry na to, hindi natin sila masisi. Kasi ang nagpapapangit na din are the network marketers themselves. So, if you really want to be successful in this business, kailangan maging maingat ka. You need to be careful. Look for the three-letter A. What's the three-letter A? Amazing company, amazing product, and amazing income system. Amazing company in the sense na yung mga taong nagpapatakbo ng company, they know what they're doing. Hindi lang sila mga businessman, hindi lang sila mga entrepreneurs, hindi lang sila mga top earners ng mga network marketing companies or mga network marketing opportunities, but they really know what they're doing for them to have an amazing company. An amazing product, yung product itself, it speaks for itself. Merong mga time na ipopost mo lang yung product sa Facebook and people are inquiring already about the product because it is very effective. It is very effective and it works. And lastly, is the amazing income system. And itong tatlong bagay na ito yung pag-uusapan natin in the entirety of this video. So it's going back to the company, IM Worldwide Corporation. It's a 5-month-old company and it is being managed by the president of the company, Sir AM, Mr. Alan Martin Adair, who is also a previous top earner and a president of a network marketing company. And together with the help of the vice president of the company, Ms. Aika Lorraine Uy, she is also a top earner ng kanilang previous company. So with that credentials, with that background, you will know that they know what they're doing. You will know that they know how to relate with the distributors and how to run a company. So number one is amazing company. Number two, dapat yung company na yun, it's not just a company because it's called network marketing. Therefore, dapat may mini-network ka. It's not just about network, it's about network marketing. So dapat may mina-market ka. So you should have products na talagang pinag-isipan. Products which are well prepared, products which are well thought of. One thing that we are proud with IM Worldwide, our partner with our product, our provider, our supplier with our product, who is also a business partner sa IM Worldwide, is no other than Miss Maritoni Fernandez. Si Miss Maritoni Fernandez is a cancer survivor herself. 15 years na siya ngayon na cancer-free. And because of that, she became an advocate ng health. Particularly, yung nakatulong sa kanya, yung during her battle for cancer. And I'm talking about the amazing pure barley. So, this amazing pure barley, sabi nga nila, prevention is better than cure. And also remember, there's one statement na talagang importanteng maintindihan natin. Sabi doon, the best person who can take good care of you once you are old is the younger person you are now. It means, kahit pa pag dumating yung panahon na marami kang pera, marami kang pang-hire ng doctors, ng nurses, still, the best person who can take good care of you pag matanda ka na, ikaw na ngayon ay bata pa. It works with health and it works with income. The best person who can take good care of your health and take good care of your income once you are old is you today na nanonood ka ng video na ito. So, Barley talks about prevention. Why? Because Barley, according sa mga studies, kahit if you do your own research, barley is a superfood. Maraming mga nutrients ang makuha natin dito. And it's all organic. The good thing about our barley, talagang yung ating provider, si Ms. Maritoni Fernandez, talagang nag-source out siya kung saan mayroong high-quality barley. So our barley is from Australia. So galing sa Australia yung barley natin. So this amazing pure barley, 10 sachets na siya. Marami na kami mga testimonials na na-receive, may mga blood sugar na nag-lower down, may mga pneumonia na nabumilis yung recovery niya, tapos meron nating sakitin, may lumakas yung immune system niya because of amazing pure barley. Now, for those people naman na hindi niya healthy pa naman siya, tapos gusto niya mag-maintain lang siya, bumibili siya ng mga multivitamins, you can also try our amazing organic barley capsule naman. The good thing about this capsule, it's veggie capsule, so it's not synthetic. Aside from that, itong capsule na to, 100 capsules na sir. Meaning to say, because if you're not yet part of IM Worldwide, let me just give you a simulation. This is 1,550. So imagine, if you're not part of IM Worldwide, for 100 days, kasi 100 capsules na to, you are just spending 15 pesos and 50 cents just for you to have a multivitamins, as low as that. But if you became part of IM Worldwide, meron kang benefits as a discount, this will just be costing 1,000 pesos. So personally, I'm taking this as my multivitamins. But here, in IM Worldwide, we provide barley for the entire family. We really put high value on barley kasi even in ancient times, even in Bible times, we can see na mini-mention yung barley as their food, and we can notice na some of them can live 100 years, 200 years because of what they eat, because of how healthy what they're eating. So dito, we provide barley for the entire family. Aside from the pure barley na powder, na pwede mo siyang inumin as juice, capsule, we also have choco barley. Itong choco barley na to, this is really tasty. Masarap itong choco barley na to. And this is designed for kids. Kasi minsan may mga kids, karamihan ng kids, hindi nila ma-tolerate yung lasa. Once it's herbal, once it is a healthy food drink. So ito, it's delicious and yet healthy chocolate flavored barley. So even kids will love the taste, and they love the taste without them knowing na natutulungan yung health nila. So it's barley for the entire family. But more than the barley, more than that, we also have coffee. We know how good the market of coffee is. Hindi lang sa Philippines, maging sa iba't ibang bansa, maraming umiinom ng coffee. Imagine na, yung coffee, kahit hindi siya healthy, people love to drink coffee. How much more if we can provide you a healthy coffee? Let's start with Tongkat Ali. Amazing coffee mix with Tongkat Ali. Itong coffee na to, it's a immune system booster. Aside from that, it strengthens you. Personally, I'm a user of this, especially pag may mga long drive ako. I'm using this coffee to keep me awake and to keep me strong and alert. Ang may experience ko dito, you'll have focused energy because of the Tongkat Ali. Aside from that, syempre may mga girls naman din na nagko-coffee. Hindi lang ayaw lang nila ng pang immune system booster, gusto nila, madagdagan din yung beauty effect ng coffee. So, to answer that demand, we have amazing coffee mix with glutathione. Akala ng iba, glutathione is just for beauty, just to lighten your skin. But scientifically, glutathione is an antioxidant for liver. So, sabi ng isang study, pag healthy yung liver mo, ang mga manifestation yan is a lighter skin or a whiter skin. So, with this coffee, you enjoy the taste of coffee and you enjoy the benefits of glutathione and Tongkat Ali. So, these are the coffee that we have. Now, aside from that, we also have this pendant. We call this a scalar energy pendant. This solar scalar energy pendant, once you wear this, it can help dun sa blood circulation mo na mag-flow naturally and healthier. Aside from that, it's an immune system booster, it's an anti-stress because of the negative ions inside this energy pendant. Okay? So, these are the products. And recently, we just launched a new product, and right now, nagiging hot cake na siya because of a lot of orders, and we know and we believe that this will be the next slimming craze. You heard it right, it's a slimming product. And once you research kung ano yung mga top 10 or top 5 na best slimming elements or nutrients, you will encounter Garcinia Cambogia. Garcinia Cambogia is already used by a lot of celebrities sa pagpapapayat nila. Why? Because Garcinia Cambogia is a fat absorber. Aside from that, itong product ng IM Worldwide na Garcinia Cambogia, we decided to make it as a juice para mas madali yung intake. And yung lasa niya, you don't have to worry about the taste because the taste is grapes. It's grape flavored. Doon naman sa mga namang problema na baka matamis yan, diabetic ako, no need to worry because the sweetener na ginamit sa mga product, even the products that I previously introduced to you, is stevia. Stevia is a sweet plant, so even diabetic can take this kasi safe yung ginamit na sweetener. Is this effective? Since it was launched in December 27, almost mga 4,000 or more than 4,000 to 5,000 boxes na yung nabenta of IM Worldwide because of this product. And we are already receiving a lot of testimonials na nag-lose sila ng weight. Recently that I received, the lady lost 4.8 pounds in just 4 days of taking Garcinia Cambogia. So these are the products that we have. Again, going back to the premise, network marketing is a very good profession. It's just that you need to be careful. Doon kung anong klaseng company sa sarili mo, it should be amazing. The product should be amazing. Pag sinabing amazing, well thought of, pinag-isipan, at talagang effective. So with the company, we have an amazing company, we have an amazing product, and these are the product lines that we have with IM Worldwide. Now let's talk about an amazing income system that can enable you and equip you to earn passive income, experience time freedom, and even ma-achieve yung desired income mo or ang income na never pang na-imagine or na-experience na ma-achieve. So this is our income system. In this income system, because this is a business, we have a company, we have a product, all you need to do is be our business partner. Pag sinabi natin business kasi, business is risky, correct? And sa business, kailangan marami kang matutunan, kailangan marami kang alam for you to be able to sustain your business. You should know the ins and outs of the business. The good thing about the opportunity we're offering to you is that hindi ka lang dito member, hindi ka lang dito distributor. We will treat you as a business partner. Business partner in the sense na tuturuan ka namin kung paano mong pa-explode or i-boost yung business mo. And all you need to do is listen from the people na nagawa na yun. And ano ba yung ginawa nila? The first step that they took is they signed up for a business package. They signed up for a product package. Of course, in any business, you need to be the product of the product. So, kailangan i-try mo yung product. So, there are a lot of packages na pwede mong pagpilian with IM Worldwide. But in this video, I will share to you yung 3 best-selling packages that we have. First is the bronze package. Bronze package is only 11,200 pesos. The good thing about our packages, wala siyang hidden fee, wala siyang service fee, wala siyang hidden charges, no admin fee, no website fee. Yung pinag-purchase mo money is all tantamount to products. So once you sign up as one of our business partner, you get the value of your money. You get the tangible value of your money once you sign up. So with 11,200, you get the value of all the products. Now, people might be arguing, ay, ang mahal naman, 11,200. Now, let me ask you, when was the last time na gumastos ka ng 11,200? Maybe some of you are thinking cellphone, gadgets, or travel, or the bed, or kung ano-ano man. But kung ano man yung mga nasagot mo na expenses nun, right now, do you think yung value nun is of the same value nung ginastos mo siya? Definitely not. But the good thing with the business opportunity that we're offering to you, that 11,200, once you start as a bronze package, can give you an opportunity for multiple sources of income. And what are the multiple sources of income? With IM Worldwide, we have 4 multiple sources of income. So with bronze package, that's number 1 package. Number 2 is the gold package. Gold package is only 44,800. And the 44,800, the good news is, these are all plain products. Lahat yan products. So marami ka ng products. Para ka na nagtayo ng sarili mong sari-sari store, but you don't need to have problem with the location. Because we will also help you kung paano ma-dispose yung product na yan through online marketing. And last but not the least, and for me, I consider as the best package is the platinum package. It's only worth 112,000. You have an option, pwede siyang maging food cart, or kung ayaw mo naman ng traditional business because kailangan mo pa siyang i-register, kailangan mo pang maghanap ng location, it can be all products. Pwede rin lahat yan, itong mga products na to na diniscuss natin ngayon. So these are the 3 packages. So the numbers that you need to remember is 3 for the 3 best-selling packages, and the 4 for the major income system na meron tayo. Let's start with number 1. Number 1, we call it as the direct referral. Pag sinabing direct referral, once you sign up and business partner ka na namin, you are already entitled na gawin yung business. And as you do the business, you also need to convince people na to buy the package na kagaya ng ginawa mo. So once we were able to convince them or nakita nila yung value ng product, nakita nila yung value ng business, and they also sign up. Let's say you are bronze package a business partner ng IM Worldwide, and you were also able to convince someone na mag-bronze din. Congratulations, you already earned 1,000 pesos. Sabi ng iba, wala naman akong skills to convince. Aside sa i-train ka namin, once you are starting the business, we can do the convincing for you. All you need to do is invite them sa mga business presentation or look for a sponsor or look for the person na nagbigay sa'yo ng link na to. Definitely, he or she will be able to help you as you start this business. But wait, there's more. After the direct referral, which is 1,000, pag nag-bronze ka, let's say nag-gold ka. And if you're a gold package, mas marami kang products kasi tingin mo mas marami kang tao kailangan matulungan dun sa product and you decided gold package, it's not 1,000 ang direct referral mo. Kasi since this is a business of duplication, dinuplicate mo yung ginawa mo dun sa mga tao, mga friends mo, kaibigan mo, kapitbahay mo, nag 44,800 din sila. Congratulations, you earned 3,500 pesos. Kaya lang, the question is, paano kung na-convince ka to sign up yung pinakamagandang package, which is 112,000? So 112,000 na yun, once ma-convince mo yung kaibigan mo kung sino man, or natulungan ka namin ma-convince yun, you don't just earn 1,000, you don't just earn 3,500, but you earn 9,000 pesos. So imagine, you just sign up with a business package and then it seems na para kang may empleyado who will help you to convince the people na mag-join sa business mo. So we're just talking about the direct referral. Yung kung nakakonvince ka ng isa, kung nakakonvince ka ng dalawa o tatlo, so ita-times mo lang yung income na yun. So your goal is, yung first month mo, I highly suggest, look for the first 2 people na mako-convince natin to use the product, to buy the product, and to share the product. Look for your first 2. And with that, as you watch this video, malalaman mo why they need the first 2. And you don't have to worry again because the company is here to help you in every skill that you need or in every material that you need para makuha mo yung first mo. So that's the first one, direct referral. We also have this sales match bonus. When we say sales match bonus, remember when we were still studying sa elementary days natin, there match column A with match column B. It means na merong items sa column A, merong items sa column B. In network marketing jargon, we call this binary, or yung mga naririnig nyo, points on the left, points on the right. Your goal in this business is to form 2 groups. Yun ang goal mo. Makatulong ka ng 2 groups. Makabuo ka ng 2 groups, on left and on the right. And every time na merong join sa business mo on the left and on the right, meron yung accumulated points, and once yung points na yung match, you earn another commission. So let's say, for example, you're a bronze package holder or a bronze business partner ng IM Worldwide, and you were able to convince someone na bronze then, you put it on the left. You were able to convince someone na mag-bronze then, you put that person on the right. So yung direct referral mo, which is the first item that I discussed sa income system, that's 1,000, and another 1,000 on the right. And the sales match, another 1,000. Imagine, in just working out with the first 2 people na i-convince natin na tingin mo kailangan ng product, you already earned 3,000 pesos. That's only for bronze. What if your package is gold? Remember, your direct referral is 3,500 rather. Naglagay ka rin ng gold package on the right, you earn another 3,500 and another sales match of 3,000 pesos. So with that, you already earned 10,000 pesos with just 2 gold package business partner. Kaya lang, yun ay kung bronze or gold ka lang. What if ang tinry mo is yung top selling package ng IM Worldwide, which is 112,000 because ang dami mong products na pwede mong i-offer. Let's say nag-112,000 ka and you were able to do the business of duplication. Nakahanap tayo ng dalawa na tingin mo ay business-minded at i-move yung products na na-purchase nila. So you were able to convince nag-112 sa left and nag-112 sa right. You don't just earn 1,000, you don't just earn 3,500. You as a direct referral, but you earn 9,000 pesos. And the sales match is not just 3,000, but 8,000 pesos. So imagine, the higher, the more products na binili mo pag nag-sign up ka, more chances of higher income ang nakikitay sa'yo as you do the business. So, I'm just talking about your first 2. Now, let's say, itong first 2 na to, tinrain natin, and then napakita natin sa kanya yung potential income. Once they do the business, yung 2 mo, kumuha rin ng tigda 2, kumuha rin yun sa lalim na yun, nag-convince, we call this the power of 2. In the power of 2, it goes like this. So you're on top. That's the first level, you're on top. Yung second level mo, there are 2 people there. Since yung 2 na yun, let's say, business of duplication, and 2 din, so 2, magiging 4, magiging 8, magiging 16, 32, 64, so on and so forth. Question. Let's say, ang kakilala mo lang doon is yung top 2. Does it mean meron ka pa rin earning doon sa 4, sa 8, sa 16, 32? It's a big yes. Kasi this is a business of teamwork. So kahit hindi mo nakakilala yung nasa pinakailalim ng binary structure or ng salesman structure, you still earn. So let's do a simulation if it's just for bronze, yung 1,000. So you're on top. This is just for sales match. And then so first level mo, may dalawa nag-match, that's 1,000. Yung apat mo, that's 2 match, so that's 2,000 plus 4,000 plus 8,000 plus 16,000 plus 32,000, so on and so forth. That is your income kung bronze ka. What if you decided ang gawin mong business is the gold package? So imagine, on the first level, 2 people, di ba? Isang sales match is 3,500. And then yung pang-apat, that's 7,000. 7,000 na kasi dalawang package, dalawang pairing na yun, or dalawang sales match na yun. Tapos dito, 4 na, that's already 14,000. So on and so forth. But again, let's say hindi ka ng bronze, hindi ka ng gold, ang nag-design ka ng platinum ka, which is the top-selling package here in IM Worldwide. Yung sales match mo, remember, it's 8,000. So yung 8,000 mo, sa first level, madodoble, magiging 16, 32, magiging 64,000, magiging 128,000. All because of what? All because of 2 words, duplication and teamwork. So that's the beauty of the business system ng IM Worldwide. You earn from your own effort, and number 2, you earn from your team's effort. As long as ma-handle mo yung team mo doing the things that you are also doing. So that's number 2. Number 3, income. Kagaya ng sinabi ko sa inyo, if you're having problems with multiple expenses, IM Worldwide has a solution. It's the multiple sources of income. Number 3, we call this as infinity income. When we say infinity, it's forever. It's no end. That's infinity. So infinity income, the magic number that you need to, the magic phrase that you need to put in mind is third referral, or the third sponsor, or the third invite, or the third person na convince mo. So again, let's say you're on top. We were able to get your first 2 na in-love din sa business, na in-love sa product, yung first 2 na yon. And then, let's say you still work it out, hindi ka pumayag hanggang first 2 ka lang, nagkaroon ka ng third referral. So third referral mo, let's say si person C, person A, B, and C. Si person C also did what you did. So kumuha rin siya ng first 2 niya. This first 2, chances are hindi mo na ito kilala because these are the friends of your friends or the connection of your connection. So most likely, hindi mo na siya kilala. But again, since part siya ng team mo, on top of the direct referral, on top of the sales match, this third referral mo, dun sa first 2 na ma-invite niya, na ma-convince niya, you still earn 500 pesos. That's 500 pesos kung ikaw ay bronze package. Kaya lang, kung gold package, that's just 500. It goes bigger, it goes higher pag gold ka or pag platinum ka. So, your income in this business is really, kailangan mag-decide ka sa first sign-up mo. Kung ano talagang package ang gusto mong i-work out. Kasi, merong perks, merong premium dun sa package na isa-sign up mo. So, I'm just talking about the third referral. Ano ba tong system ito? Infinity. It means, pag halimbawa, third referral mo, nagkaroon ka pa ng fourth referral, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth, or let's say na lang, kagaya ng ginagawa kong project, you have 30 directs. Let's say in 2 months, nagawa mo yung 30 directs. Yung first 2, again, the magic phrase to remember is third referral. Yung third referral mo, hanggang 30th referral mo, if you're just thinking of 30 directs, that's 28 people. Let's say we were able to do the business of duplication. Meron silang tigda dalawa. So that's 28 times 2, 56. Sa 56 na to, na bumili ng package, since part pa rin siya ng team mo, on top of the direct referral, on top of the sales match, you get to earn another 500 pesos per head kung bronze ka. And it is even bigger kung gold ka or platinum ka. So that's the infinity income. But wait, there's more. There's another, we call it check match bonus. Now, there are people who have been in network marketing who would agree with me na hindi naman lagi nababalanse yung structure. Hindi naman lagi malakas din yung marami sa left, marami bumibili sa left, marami rin bumibili sa right. May mga time na lahat nasa left. Mayroon mga time mas malakas yung right. So that happens. That happens. But there's a way for us, we will provide you a training para mabalance mo. But let's say, worst comes to worst, hindi mo siya na-balance, and all your people, or the people who joined the business, who purchased the product, let's say nasa lang malaki, you don't have to worry, though you need to step up para mabalance siya. Because we have this check match bonus. Ano tong check match bonus? Of course, I Am Worldwide still value na ikaw yung nagdala nung business partner mo. It is because of you, kaya nakilala niya si I Am Worldwide. So lahat ng directs mo, if they are earning in sales match bonus, good thing is para kami royal din income. From their sales match bonus income, you get to earn 5% of their weekly income. So, for example, you were able to get a person na ginagawa yung business and sobrang really dedicated in doing the business and he's earning, let's say, 5,000 per week or 10,000 per week, you get the 5% of that income kung bronze ka. The catch is, if you're with a gold package or a platinum package, that's even higher than 5%. That's not, yung 5% is only for bronze package. So that's the check match bonus. And those bonuses, those 4 major income systems, qualified ka dyan if you're on a bronze package, gold package, and platinum package. Entitled ka sa lahat ng yan. Kaya lang, more than the 4 packages, meron pang tinatawag si I Am Worldwide because we believe that we need to give value to whom value is due. We need to give credit to whom credit is due. We have this just for you bonus. It's just for you bonus. Let me give you a magic number to remember. Again, the number is on that phrase already, just for you. The number is 4. Ang entitled lang sa just for you bonus, pag bronze package ka, you're not entitled for just for you bonus. Ang entitled lang is gold and platinum. That's gold and platinum. Here, in I Am Worldwide, we offer dual business. So aside from health and wellness products, may mga tao na gusto lang traditional, we also offer food cart business. Sa gold package, pag 44,800 ka, may products ka, health and wellness products from high quality health and wellness product from I Am Worldwide, and you want also to try traditional business, mag-a-add ka na lang ng 28,000. Meron ka ng food cart na dati 67,000, ngayon 28 na lang. For platinum naman, like what I've said, it can be all product or it can be food cart. Mall type na food cart. So, gold and platinum. Ano ba itong just for you? Again, let's say ikaw yung gold, you're on top. The magic number is 4. No time frame required. Kung naka-4 ka, you were able to convince 4 people to join your business at gold package 10. Isa-isahin natin yung pwedeng income. Since 4 yan, remember the direct referral? That's 3,500 per head. So direct referral pa lang, meron ka na 14,000. 3,500, 3,500, 3,500, 3,500. Eh di ba may sales match pa yan? May sales match pag in-organize mo siya na 1 left, 1 right, 1 left, 1 right. May sales match pa yan. Ilang match yan? 2 match. And 1 sales match bonus, kung gold to gold, it's 3,000. So meron ka ng 6,000. 40,000 direct referral, 6,000 sales match. But wait, there's still more. And what's the more? The just for you bonus. Since naka-4 ka, we give you a bonus. Ano yung bonus? If you're gold, you're able to get or to convince 4 people doing buying a package of gold, aside from the 20,000 dun sa income system na diniscuss natin, the I Am Worldwide company is generous enough to give you another 40,000 pesos on top of your 20,000. Imagine, 44,800, you purchase the product, but because of helping people also to value the product, helping people to have a business, from 44,800, it became 60,000 pesos. That's just for your bonus na available kay gold. Kaya lang, sabi natin, available din siya kay platinum. Pag nag-platinum ka naman and you practice yung just for you bonus, talagang tinry mo, sabi mo, 2 months, lagi akong may 4 na platinum. Here's what's in it for you. If you're a platinum package holder, kasi nga, mahal na mahal mo yung product at maraming mga tao kung mga kailangan, dami mong package na products na binili or na food cart ka, you're on top, naka-4 ka na platinum din. Let's say in span of 2 months, naka-4 ka na platinum. Yung first yung direct referral mo for the 4 na platinum, that's 9,000 per person. So that's already how much? 9 times 4, it's 36,000. So may sales match ka pa, 8,000 at 8,000, dalawang sales match kasi yun, that's another 16,000. So 36 plus 16, that's 52,000. But wait, wala pa dyan yung just for you. Yung 4 lang yan na kahit bronze, pwedeng makuha mo yung income na gano'n may just for you ka. So just for you bonus, kung sa gold, bibigyan ka ng 40,000. With just for you bonus, the company, I Am Worldwide, will give you cash of 100,000 pesos. That is on top of your 52,000 pesos. That's why a lot of people are really into buying bigger packages because of these bonuses and because of their love for the product. So that's the income system. But aside from that, let's say you have also people in your organization who really fell in love with the product and they keep on buying the product. May bonus ka rin doon. Even though they purchase sa office o kung saan mang part na merong stockings, meron tayong business center, yung people in your organization, they keep on purchasing the product, congratulations, you still earn 5% rebate and more doon sa mga binibili nila. So even though you're not selling the product, since the product is moving, you still earn from their purchases. So imagine a kind of opportunity that we're offering to you. Kasi sa pagbebenta-benta, you still earn, let's say, this is 900 pesos, pag distributor ka, that's 150, you still earn. But really, if you really want to have a life that is amazing, that is with time freedom, na meron kang passive income, why don't you try having a business with IM Worldwide? Because with IM Worldwide, we provide you the hope that you need in your life. But wait, there are more. Aside from the income system, ang dami rin mga incentives na binigay si IM Worldwide for you. We have car incentives, we have travel incentives. And this car incentives, we're talking about supercars. We're talking about luxury cars na all you need to do, masterin mo lang yung power of 2 na ginawa natin kanina and madali na yung mga incentives na yun. And for the incentives, here are the incentives na pwede nyo makuha. Alright, so that's the income system. Hope you now agree with me that with IM Worldwide, you're on your way to having hope of living an amazing life. Because here, we provide you an amazing company, an amazing product, an amazing income system. Now, what's in it for you pag in-start mo itong business na to? Or, better yet, sabihin ko na lang yung totoo. Maaaring ikaw, nagdadalawang isip ka pa, maaaring ikaw, sinabi mo, hindi naman totoo yan, hindi ko kaya yan. I cannot blame you for those perceptions na meron ka. But let me just give you this an example. Right now, we can see a lot of big businesses. We can see a lot of rich people, owners ng malalaking mall, malalaking restaurant. We can see that their business are really big. But we didn't see nung time na nag-start sila. We didn't see nung time na nag-decide sila i-start yung business nila. Right now, maybe hindi mo pa nakikita that you will be doing big, amazingly big in this business. Ngayon, ang kailangan kasi makita ngayon in this time is your decision. Because every big businesses, it started with decision. Now, you watch this video, all we can give you are the information, the opportunity na alam namin with IM Worldwide is possible. Ang decision, nasa iyo pa rin. So hope you can make the right decision. You can be part of IM Worldwide. If you have further question, feel free to contact the person na nag-send sa'yo ng link, and I know he is more than willing and more than happy na i-assist ka for all your inquiries. Okay? So with IM Worldwide, we provide you hope for you to live an amazing life. Thank you, and keep on watching this video, keep on sharing this video. See you in IM. Welcome to IM Worldwide.